Welcome to the introduction of Hubsan Zino. In this section, we will show you how to connect the HT016B transmitter to the aircraft and mobile device. Press and hold the aircraft power button to turn on the aircraft. Press and hold the transmitter power button. The power LED indicator will flash in sequence. The transmitter will make a beep and then power on. Android mobile devices use micro USB or Type-C cable. Choose the appropriate cable according to your phone model. Connect the transmitter to the mobile device via a connecting cable. At this time, the device power indicator icon shows that it is charging. The mobile device will automatically prompt Open Hubsan app. Click OK. The mobile device will automatically launch the Hubsan app. Need to pay attention to: after connecting the cable to the mobile device and the power indicator icon shows it is charging, but the system does not automatically launch the Hubsan app, please pull down the mobile device status bar. Click Select USB Connection Method Media Device. After selecting successfully, wait for about 2 seconds. The mobile device should prompt Open Hubsan app. If the prompt does not show, that means the connection method is incorrect. Please reselect other USB connection method. Click Enter Device. Enter the main interface of the aircraft operation. At this time, the transmitter icon will turn into a relay icon to show that mobile device and transmitter has been paired. Tap on Controller in Settings, select Wi-Fi on the controller. Enter Set up the connection between controller and aircraft page and refresh Wi-Fi list to search for the Wi-Fi name of your product. Tap on Connect. After successful connection, you can control the aircraft based on the prompts. After the connection is established, the aircraft must be bound to your mobile device to prevent any signal interference. After binding your mobile device to the aircraft, put your aircraft and mobile device close to each other, then perform GPS accuracy test. After passing the GPS accuracy test, pull both controller sticks down and out to arm the motors. The HT016B controller will beep with an interval of 0.5 seconds to indicate a low battery signal. Please return the aircraft as soon as possible.